Salesforce has assigned the code Sales-Admn-202 to the Certified CPQ Administrator credential. This video, brought to you by Certs-Hero, a platform designed to provide clear study tips and structured resources for Salesforce exam preparation, will guide you through the updated exam details and the exact domain breakdown you need to focus on. You can register and schedule your CPQ Administrator exam through Salesforce Trailhead Academy, powered by WebAssessor. The exam can be taken either online with remote proctor or on-site at a certified test center. Here are the key details you need to know. 60 multiple choice or multiple select questions, plus up to 5 unscored questions. 105 minutes to complete. Passing score is 65%. Aligned with the Summer 24 release. Registration fee is $200. Retake fee is $100. The CPQ Administrator exam is divided into the following sections: CPQ Platform, 23%, Bundle Configurations, 17%, Pricing, 16%, Quote Templates, 7%, Product Selection, 7%, Approvals, 4%. This certification validates your ability to configure and manage Salesforce CPQ efficiently, covering platform setup, product configuration, pricing, and approvals. It's a credential that builds professional credibility and unlocks new career opportunities. Certs-Hero provides updated study resources and structured preparation material designed to match the latest Salesforce exam outlines. Learners across the globe trust Certs-Hero for effective and confident exam preparation. Thanks for watching. For complete study guides and full preparation for the Sales-Admn-202 certification, visit certshero.com today. Start your preparation now and take the next big step in your Salesforce career with confidence.